Hi, this is Joe Hamden, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt, #1 Chevy dealership in the state of Illinois. As you see, I got Tisha here. She's got her beautiful 2015 Chevy Malibu LT. How was the experience with Joe and Phillips Chevrolet?
My experience was great. I'm very appreciative. Customer service was great, and I'm happy to have my new vehicle. Thank you very much.
Would you recommend Joe and Phillips Chevrolet to your friends and family?
Yes, I would.
You heard the lady. Come on and see Joe. Thank you so much for your business.
Thank
Come on and
you,
see Joe,
Joe.
Phillips Chevrolet.